Hey guys, want to attract higher paying clients with your creative designs in the draping industry? Well, I've got something for those of you that will reiterate if you are on the right track with these 5 top do's for having a successful draping business. Don't worry, if you haven't yet exercised these tips, guess what? It's never too late to start. And in my previous video, I covered my 5 top don'ts, so that'll let you know if you started on the wrong track. So check that out. If you want to reach 6 figures and beyond in the draping industry, you're going to want to keep watching for these exclusive 5 tips on what to do to ensure that that happens. But before I get into these do's, do me a huge favor by clicking the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell. That way you always have access to the latest and greatest in the world of premium draping. So number 1, you do want to stay within your client's budget. Baby, listen, I know as a designer, you want to show off all the best work at all times, right? If you can add some razzle dazzle, then you're going to do it in a heartbeat. Razzle dazzle is good, but just make sure you stay within your client's budget. Now, Cynthia may want you to add this and that to her backdrop design, right? But she doesn't necessarily want to pay for it, and that's perfectly fine. Don't be that person that pays out of pocket for it just to make someone happy. You stick with your client's budget at all times. Work your magic based on what they can afford. However, if your goal is to attract a higher paying client, then you want to set your imagery up for success by adding a few of your best elements pro bono. But definitely have a plan mapped out on just how you're going to transition your business to get in front of those that you want to work with. Now, if you don't have a plan, attending our upcoming mastermind is perfect, where you'll learn my 3-step framework on attracting higher paying clients to your creative business. Now for number 2, you do want to plan ahead. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither should your concept on how you're going to design these backdrops. Unless it's a same-day booking, take some time to plan on how you're going to execute the design by being proactive, because it's always better than being reactive. Guess what? I created the backdrop recipe to assist with the same exact issue many new and inspiring designers experience. That link will be in the description as well. And for number 3, you do want to look at space as soon as possible. If you know you're going to be putting your design into, let's say, a small space, right? It makes sense for you to go check it out so you can have the right materials to execute this vision. This actually ties into planning. You want to know what you're going up against before the day of the event, if it's at all possible. That way you can get any special materials you need ahead of time. Now on to number 4, you do want to pick a color palette that goes with your client's theme. Less is best, and sticking to what's already known will help make your job a lot easier. If she has pastels, go with pastels. If she's going bold, find something to complement it, right? Work smarter, babe, not harder. We have backdrops in a box that comes complete with fabric and a recipe to help you achieve that premium design, and guess what? That link is below as well. And for number 5, the last one, you do want to respect your client's time and opinion. They're paying you, so you want to treat each and every client with the utmost respect. They usually have an idea of what they want, and it's our job to bring that to life the simplest way possible. Be punctual, be open, and do what it is that you love doing. Trust me, people will pay your worth once you show them the value. So there are your 5 do's for being successful in this draping business. If you like this, then you're going to love my Draping Plan to Profit 2-day master seminar. In just 2 days, I'll teach you everything you need to know to charge the top dollar in your draping business and start making the kind of money that you deserve. The link to that seminar is in the details below. Make sure you check it out when you're ready to make some real coins. So that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments if any of these tips you found helpful. I hope to see you guys in the next video.